with just one lot, how I managed to make 140% plus return by trading options. Let's jump into my screen and let's understand the reason behind taking the trade. So we are at my screen now, and the stock in which way I made the trade was called RVNL. Now RVNL was it's a railway theme stock, and if you watch my pre-market video, I have said continuously and regularly that railway sector has given a true breakout. And yes, we saw a breakout and I captured the mood in RVNL. So let's understand the reason why I took the trade. And next time when you see the setup, you should not miss the setup and you should not miss the trade. So let's jump into the analysis. So if you look the RVNL from the this is RVNL futures. RVNL has been non-stop continuously falling, right? From June 2025, it has been non-stop falling, right? And from bottom levels, roughly close to 290, 290, 300 levels, it's a psychological level, and the RVNL has given a bounce, right? So once the RVNL has given this bounce, I was tracking this stock for long time. And when I saw my setup, I took the positions. Now, what happened here is whenever there's a reversal setup, right? I have told you in my pre-market video, whenever there's a reversal setup, at the bottom of the stock, it always gives some consolidation. So if you'll see, there's a reverse pattern, right? This is a reverse pattern, and if you look, then market has been this stock has been continuously giving just our reversal setup. For example, look, one here, two here, three here, four here, and afterwards the stock broke. So once the stock break, what just happened, I just took the call up. So you see the market has been continuously taking rejection from this levels, right? From this zone, the market has been continuously taking rejections. So once this broke, I took the call option here in RVNL and I booked profit somewhere near to 315. Somewhere near here I booked my profit. Somewhere close to here I booked my profit. Somewhere here I booked my profit. I didn't capture the top, but I captured somewhere around here, right? If you look, if I'll zoom it out, and I kept my stop loss below the recent swing. So this was the setup. This was the reason why I bought the call option in RVNL. It was a very purely reversal setup, and with years of understanding, years of realizing my mistake, I have mastered the, I'll not say I have masters, but I have sharpened my reversal setup where I take trades on reversal. Now I have showed you the reason. See, whenever you see the reversal, right, it always a trend line which goes in up pattern. For example, here if you look, it is always this type of pattern was there, and always it was taking rejection from 332 to 331, and the market has been continuously taking rejection from this zone. If I'll draw this zone here, and if I'll draw this zone from here, if I'll draw this, see the rejection that is taking again and again from this zone. See, many countless times it has taken rejection from this zone, and but once it broke, right, which happened on Monday, I took the positions in the market and I took the call option in RVNL, which you can see it, which you saw on the intro. So this was the reason why I took this trade. This is the reason why I really like this setup, and it was a very good setup. So next stock, I took this trade in one stock, but I want to give a bonus to you all. Next stock I really, which is in mind, is called Zydus Lifesciences. So if you'll go to Zydus Lifesciences, Zydus Lifesciences has given a clear breakout, right? See this breakout the Zydus Lifesciences has given. Let's go to 4 hour. See, again, this type of pattern is there in Zydus Lifesciences. So the stock has been continuously falling, right? The stock has been continuously falling from September, and from here, from the around 793, it has bottomed out, and from there it has been consolidating. Now it has given a breakout with clear sign. Look, open low formation, and it has given a breakout. Now for me, the target is 1300. 1300 we can see in Zydus Life available in futures. One can take long positions in futures and kept the target of 1300. So Zydus Lifesciences is another stock which has given a clear reversal sign, You should not miss the stock. If you are a cash trader, take positions in cash. It will also do very, very good from here. Keep the stop loss of below this 968. Go long in futures or go long in cash or as a swing trader. So Zydus Life Science is also giving a clear breakout and clear reversal setup. I have given you a bonus stock. This stock can you track and should be in your radar. So now I have shown you the reason why I took this trade. I have shown you I hope you would have learned a lot. Next time if you see any setup, don't miss the setup and don't miss to trade that setup. Thank you and I'll see you in the next video.